To fix the issue, I gave the enemy some animations, and it actually looks good. I mean, just look at that flawless foot animation. But the guard is still defenseless, so I modeled a gun in Blender and asked Al for some code to make the gun shoot. And Al did such a good job that the bullets are able to predict the location of the gun and shoot from a position that the gun isn't even at yet. Truly amazing programming from Al. Let's give him a round of applause. Good job, Al. I added a trail and glow to the bullet, and now it's looking a lot better than whatever that was. So the guard can follow you around and shoot bullets at you. But the problem is that the bullets don't actually do anything. So I added this blood effect that will appear as the player gets shot. Eventually, the screen will fade to black and the player will die. But now I need to ask Al what should happen after the player dies. I guess nothing happens when the player dies, which means no respawning, no restarting the game. So if you die, the game's pretty much just over. So you better not die. And now that means the facility guard is done. I'm pretty proud of Al for making such a perfect and functional enemy for the game. The next part of the game's description says, as the player progresses through the levels, they uncover clues and information about the strange experiments and happenings taking place in the facility. So I asked Al to give me an experiment to make for the game.